Hey mini enthusiasts, how you doing? So this will probably be part 4 of Project Sprout, I guess. So I'll just sort of show you some bits I picked up from the IMM. So I've obviously got the slave cylinder for Project Sprout. There was a few other bits which I wanted to get as well, which I just forgot about while I was there. The water pump's leaking on it, I could have got that while I was there. But the slave cylinder is really the key to getting it moving. Obviously until I can get it in the garage over the winter and really start work on it, I just need to move it around now and again just to get the bins out and stuff like that. So hopefully, fingers crossed, a new slave cylinder on there and that will fix that. I was quite surprised actually because I picked up a slave cylinder. It was an earlier type one which is very slightly different. I think it was 13 quid. The one for the MPI is 28 quid, so it's more than twice the price. Also picked up some white dials from Sticky Fingers. This is for Vinny, not for Project Sprout, and it's just the only bits I need actually is the fuel and the temperature gauge, because obviously Vinny's got that SPA designed combined speedo stroke rev counter on it, so I'll just be using those middle bits. And finally, this is for Sprout. I've got a 60 years anniversary limited edition gear knob. I don't know how limited they are, but I'm pretty sure they run out of them at the IMM. So yeah, I'm going to keep it completely standard apart from this. And I'll probably do some other bits as well. But I just thought, you know, because I'll be building it in the 60th year, that'd be just a nice little touch on it just to remind me which year it was restored. So that's it. Let's go outside, let's get this slave cylinder fitted on, bleed it up, and hopefully we can move the Mini around. Also, just to apologise as well, this video and the previous one, the IMM update, actually, I don't know how good they're going to come out because I always use Windows Movie Maker for editing my videos. I've done the new Windows 10 update and it no longer works. So I've had to use a program called DaVinci Resolve, which I think is very, very good. It certainly gets some rave reviews, but it's like me trying to learn to ride a bike again. It's completely different from Windows Movie Maker. You build the timeline and everything completely different, and I'm really struggling to get used to it at the moment. I mean, I probably produced over 200 videos with Windows Movie Maker, so I was very, very used to how it works. So I've got to start afresh with something new. So might take me a couple of weeks to get up to speed, but I'm sure I'll suss it all out. Yes, I know I should have put new brass washers on it, but this will probably come off again at some point, so it's really just about getting it moving at the moment. itself, the brakes are working, so yeah, pleased with that. Much easier to move around now. I couldn't leave the video like that. It'd be rude not to take you guys along for a little drive. I live in a private close with a private road, so let's go. First time it's probably been driven for 12 years, I guess. Still starts on the button. Well, I'm pretty pleased with that. So it now starts, runs and drives under its own power. So yeah, still a very long way to go, honestly. People keep commenting that it looks like a light restoration. The harder I look at it, the more I see. But yeah, it just makes it so much easier that I can just get in it and move it now. So yeah, another step in the right direction.